Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am so excited about this video because this video was an open challenge that is hosted by Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi and myself. And theme of this challenge is actually Trash to Treasure. So it is Christmas upcycle DIY gifts ideas. I am so excited and so anxious to see what everybody else came up with. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of great inspiration and ton of great ideas that you can find in a playlist that I'm going to be linking in the description box down below. I will also link Heidi's channel in the description box, and I encourage you to go ahead and check out her channel because if you're not familiar with her, you don't know what you're missing out. She's my dear friend, and ever since I found her channel, I am obsessed with it. She is such a sweet person. She's full of great ideas, DIYs, and so inspirational. So don't forget to check her out. So like I said, the theme of this challenge was to find something either from a thrift store, from a yard sale, something that we got for free, and transform that into a gift that we're gonna give it to a loved one for this Christmas. I'm not going to talk too much about my project, my DIY, but I will tell you that it turned out so good, better than I expected. I'm going to show you how I made it and how it turned out. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and start it.
I found this wooden box at my local Salvation Army store, and judging by the sticker, I could tell it was from a Target dollar spot. Even though I've never seen it in a Target, I probably missed that time when it was in the Target dollar spot. But looking at it, I really liked it, and I immediately knew what I wanted to make. And as you can see, it was only $1.25, so the price was perfect. The supplies I'm using are Mod Podge, then a sponge brush from a dollar store, and then I got this doorknob from Hobby Lobby. It was originally $3.99, but I used my 40% coupon. And also I am using this craft paper that I got also at Hobby Lobby. Those are the ones that are 4 pieces for $1, so this one was 25 cents. First thing I did, I measured where I want to put the hole for my knob, and then I drilled the hole. I used the tape because I saw that in other people's videos that it helps for the wood not to break, so it actually did a great job. I also sanded a little bit the sign because it was just a little bit uneven and rough on the surface. And then around the hole I sanded as well. After that, I'm using my Mod Podge, and I put it all over the top of the lid. Next step is to put my craft paper on the top of it, making sure I press it around the corners, and if there's any bubbles, I pressed it all out. While the lid was drying, I decided to take a little bit of sandpaper and just sand the rough edges. There was a little bit of damage on this box, especially on the corners, so I wanted to sand it out and make it as smooth as possible. I didn't really like the color of the box, so I used my craft paint in a color granite gray. I watered it down, so I made it like a stain, and I lightly brushed it with my sponge brush. After that, I took my paper towel and I just cleaned it as much as possible.
snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing.
When the lid was dry, I went ahead and took a little bit rougher sandpaper and I sanded around the edges, especially around those two edges that had a leftover paper. Instead of cutting it, I just sanded down and it came off pretty easily. I learned this technique watching other people's videos and I decided to try it, and it really works. Just if you try it, make sure not to press hard while sanding, because you don't want to rip the paper. Just do it lightly and repeat it as many times as needed until you cut off that part that is left over, and also until you get the distressed edges that you want to.
Saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
After I distressed it the way I wanted, I went ahead and put Mod Podge all over on the top to seal it completely. I made sure to put just enough Mod Podge on the corners so the corners don't start lifting off. When the lid was completely dried, I went ahead and attached the knob. One last thing left to do was to just a little bit add this darker color to the corners and edges. I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and this will give it a little bit of depth to the box, and also it will make it look even more aged. And my box is completely done. I am so happy the way it turned out. It actually turned out way better than I expected. And honestly, I just want to find another box like this and make it one for myself. I really hope my friend will like it. I already know who I made this for. I kept in mind the colors that she likes, and also I'm sure she's gonna like the pattern on this because it doesn't really scream Christmas, and I know her style. Of course, I'm gonna fill up this box with some goodies for her, some nice gifts. This is just an example what can be put and how it would look like with a gift inside. I am sure she's gonna use this all throughout the year because it is not meant to be only for Christmas. And another thing that I know about my friend, that she loves essential oils, and this box could be perfect for storing essential oils. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you got motivation to go ahead and make a gift for your loved one for this Christmas. If you try to recreate this, please share it on the social media and tag me. I would love to see how you did it. As you can see, if I can make it, you can do it too. It is super easy. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up, and also tell me in the comments if you would like to try this, and what did you like, what did you not like, and who would you give this to. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.